So if for some reason you need to make 1/6 of a cup, how do you do that? You probably don't have a 1/6 cup in your kitchen. So if you know that 1 cup equals 48 teaspoons, those are the smaller ones, you can figure it out pretty easily because we want to take 1/6 of 48. So we're just taking 1/6 times 48. That gives us the answer. And for 48, let's just call that 48 over 1 here. 48 divided by 1, it's still 48, but now everything lines up. 1 times 48 is 48. 6 times 1 is 6. And if you divide 48 by 6, you get 8. So our answer is 8 teaspoons. You could do it with a combination of tablespoons and teaspoons, but it gets a little bit messy. It's probably the most straightforward way to make 1/6 of a cup is just take 8 teaspoons and you've got your 1/6 of a cup. This is Dr. B. If you have a better way of doing it, leave a comment. And thanks for watching.